Hello guys, welcome to another video from Computer channel. In this video, we're going to solve another question for our intervideo coding playlist, and this question is about we want to learn how to reverse a linked list. That is very famous problem in that you may see in your coding interview, or better I say technical interview, and this is very basic and important that you know how to reverse a linked list, that you maybe use it in your future work, I don't know, in your project, and this is very important, and I want to fully explain this question for you, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's solve it together. Okay guys, as you can see here, this is the question. Reverse a linked list. Given the head of a single linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. So for example, this is our linked list. The head is 1, and after that we have 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we want to reverse it. So at the end we must start with 5, and after that 4, 3, 2, 1. And for example, this is another question. We have 1, and after that 2. For our output, we must have 2, and after that 1. And if we don't have anything in our linked list, we must return none. So yes, this is the basic question that we have here. And for solution here, we can use from this solution here. We know that the linked list, the structure of linked list is something like this. We have for any node here, actually like this, we have the head part, and after that we have a pointer to the next, actually the node of our linked list, and after that another node, and so on. So it will become something like this. Yes. And the basic idea to solve this question is that we can use from actually, try to say a 2-pointer for this question, and it will become like this. For every step here, we need a point. We have to actually reverse our pointer. So if in the first our pointer is like this, at the end our pointer must become something like this. We must reverse them for any pair node that we have in our linked list. So it must become like this. This is a basic idea for solving this question, and we want to implement this for Python code. So the idea here is that we can actually define a pointer to the next node that we have here. For example, if we call this as our current, actually, better I say, node here, so this will become car.next. Based on our definition of actually a linked list, we must define a pointer on this car.next, so it will become like this, and we need a previous that will show the previous node that we have. So at the first, the previous is equal to none, because we know that when we are in the head of our linked list, that means here we don't have any previous node. So at the first, this is equal to none, but after that we must actually move this previous node in every iteration, every step of our iteration, one place to right. So if in the first it is equal to none, after that it must actually show this node, and after that it must actually show this node, and until we reach the last place in our linked list. And this is the basic idea of how we want to solve this question. For this idea, the time complexity that we have is from big notation of O, or better saying from order of n, like this. And for space complexity, we only actually define 2-pointer to, or better I said 3-pointer. Here we have the current value, the current.next, and we have previous node here. So we only define 3 variables. So the order of our space is from 1. It means that we only must define the constant actually number of variable here, And actually, for solving this question, let me show you how we solve this question. In the first step, we must define the actually car variable that is equal to the head of our first linked list, and we must define the previous that is equal to none in the first place, because we know that uh, at the start of our algorithm here, we know that when we are in the head of our linked list, the previous node is equal to none, and at each step that we will follow in our iteration, we must move both current node and previous node one place to right. So we will define this actually while loop here until we reach the last place of our linked list. And this loop here shows that we say that while there is current, we know that at the last place of our linked list, the current value will become equal to none, because at the last place in a singular linked list, the next node is equal to none. So here, if this is the last place in our linked list, this place.next is equal to actually none. So we will continue until we reach the last place. At every step, we must define this variable new node that is equal to current.next, that will keep the next node of our current node here. And after that, we know that we must put the current.next equal to our previous node. Because we want to reverse the actually pointer in our linked list. And after this part, we must put previous equal to current, and after that current is equal to new node. In these two last line, all we have to do is that we must move the both current and previous node one place to right. And finally, we must return the previous, because we know that at the end of our linked list, the current node will become equal to none, but the previous node will show the last actually place of our first linked list, or better I say the first place or head of our reverse linked list. So let's test this question on our test case set. I accept all of the test cases, and let's submit this code. As you can see here, from time complexity point of view, this question is very optimal. We hit the 100% of other code in this question. And as you see here, the time complexity of this code actually is equal to or big O of n, or from order of n, better I say. And from space complexity point of view, also this question is very optimal. We only use from 3 different variables here to solve this question. And better I say, we use the constant number of variables to solving this question, and this is very optimal in your coding interview if you can use some solution for your question in your interview. And yes, that was the solution for this question. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learn something useful that you can use it in your interview and get a great job for your future and other things. This is really good. If you like this video, you can like it and subscribe to my channel. And also, in this video, I want to introduce my Git repository to you. Actually, I made a Git repository, and I will put all of my solution for different coding interview, CIPSR solution or CLR solution on my Git repository, and you can check them on the GitHub. And my profile name here is also comp theory. You can search it and actually look for any solution that I solve in the actually YouTube videos. And if you like it, you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. And if you have any idea or opinion about that, how can I grow my channel, my personality, or other things, you can leave them in the comments part. I will read all of your comments, and this is the biggest motive for me. And yes, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.